Hi everybody and welcome to First Time for Everything. Today we're going to try something with a product that we've actually had around our house for a while and we really love it, but I want to try it in a whole new way. The product is Joseph's Flax Oat Bran and Whole Wheat Pita Bread. And the reason we love it is that it's low carb. It's only 5 grams of net carbs per serving. And a serving is 1 whole pita. So what we're going to try to do is make pita chips out of this pita bread, and let's see how it is. So this recipe is probably one of the easier recipes that you'll ever try. It basically just involves taking a pita bread and cutting it up into pieces and stick it in the microwave for a while. Then you add a few toppings and reheat it, and it should come out tasting like chips. But first, let's take a look at the nutrition. So looking at the nutrition facts, we see that a serving size is 1 pita and 60 calories, 2 grams of fat, 0 milligrams of cholesterol, 280 milligrams of sodium, 9 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fiber. If you subtract the fiber from the carbs, you get 5 grams, net grams of fiber per serving. Looking at the ingredients, we see that it's got water, whole wheat flour, wheat gluten, oat fiber, a whole bunch of other things. So this is not a gluten-free product, but it is a low-carb product, and that's what I'm going for today. So we'll give it a taste and see how it is. So what we do is we just take 1 pita and we basically slice it up into 8 pieces. So I'm just going to take this knife and cut it right down the middle. Once, alright, and then I'm going to take that one and cut that down the middle. Okay, and then we'll take those and we'll cut that down the middle. So, alright, so there, now we have 8 little triangles, and so what we're going to do with each one of these is open them up, and since it's a pita bread, it's got a, it opens up like this, and we're going to cut each one of these right down the middle so that we end up with 16 pieces. So we'll do that and to all the rest of them, and we'll have 16 pieces. Okay, so we've cut the pita up into 16 pieces, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use 8 of them for this recipe. And if it turns out good, I'll cook the other 8. But for right now, I'll just cook 8 of them and we'll see how they turn out. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. Alright, they're done in the microwave. That's been about 1.5 minutes. They're nice and crispy. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take a little bit of Parmesan cheese and kind of sprinkle it over each one like that. And then put a little bit of kosher salt on each one too. Not much. You don't want to make them too salty. Like that. Just a little sprinkle. And then I'm going to put them back in the microwave for about another 20 seconds. So here's the finished product. And let's take a look and see how crispy they are. Nice and crispy. They have a little bit of melted cheese on them, a little bit of salt, and I'm going to try one and see how they taste. I'm going to give one a try here. So here's one. Nice and crispy. I like the flavor of the salt and the Parmesan on them. You could probably add all kinds of other things to it, maybe different kind of cheese or salsa or something like that. I'm going to try dipping one in some hummus, and let's see how that is. So I have some Trader Joe's hummus here. I'm going to try that on it. That's really good. So I would highly recommend these if you're looking for a low-carb alternative to potato chips or even to other pita chips that you can buy ready-made. I'm going to put a link to these. You can get them on Amazon, and you can also buy them directly from Joseph's online. So I'll put a link to both of those in the description. And I hope you enjoy it. I hope you try them. And thanks for watching.